When an animal has broken into a void structure or dwelling or burrowed underneath a shed or deck or something of that nature, we use one-way doors, exclusion devices. So exclusion services would be provided when a baited trap is not the most suitable service for your location. If a raccoon has broken into your attic void or a squirrel has chewed through one of your roof vents, we install these multi-purpose doors. They're multi-use. They'll open and close, allowing one or multiple animal to vacate. Here we have a squirrel door. It's big enough for a squirrel to pass through the trap. It'll open and close, excluding one or multiple animals to the exterior. And now here we have a larger door. We use these doors for raccoons, skunks, opossums, groundhogs. The animal will pass through the door, it'll open, pass through, close, excluding the animal to the exterior. Then we install a galvanized steel mesh seal. These seals do carry a 1-year guarantee.